So you want to go through Disneyland like a pro. I did so much research beforehand of different tips and tricks on how to make the best out of your first time at Disneyland, and I put them through the test here. Also throughout the video, I show the ride count, what times I get each fast pass through MaxPass, how long we waited for each attraction, and tips and tricks that I personally found helpful. I was able to go on all the rides I wanted to and still enjoy the park. So this is my first time at Disneyland like a pro in 2018. It's 5 a.m. and we're waiting for our bus to get on Disneyland, and we're gonna arrive there by 7 o'clock. Just got off the bus and we're walking towards the park, I think. We're following behind these people and hopefully they look like pros, so I think they know what they're doing. I think over there, security, right there. Unable to connect. Okay, on the way in, we got maps. So I just made my first fast pass confirmation, so it's for Space Mountain, and so the next one you can get is at 8:08, so continue on Main Street. Our plan of action didn't go to plan, so we're gonna skip the Peter Pan for this morning because the Magic Hour people are going there first. So then we're gonna go into Adventureland and go into Indiana Jones, and then afterwards we're gonna go to Space Mountain because we got a fast pass from there.
All the rules are off.
After So we just finished our Indiana Jones. We're going to go on the Astro Blaster now, the Buzz Lightyear Astro Blaster, because there's only a 5-minute wait. And then afterwards, we're going to go on the Space Mountain with our bus pass.
Battle stations. Report to the flight deck for immediate launch. Blast in with everything you got.
We just finished at the Astro Blaster, so we're heading off to Space Mountain.
Hyperspace Mountain.
Yeah, they changed it.
I could always miss it.
Oh my god, Space Mountain was intense. And I had a quick bite to eat after we got up Space Mountain, and it's craziness. So we're gonna go on Matterhorn next.
Welcome, adventurers, to a breathtaking Zen. Hold on for a thrilling alpine adventure.
So we just finished that on the Matterhorn, and we're just walking through Fantasyland to go to the washroom. I thought that last little bit of water that's there, I thought it was gonna splash us, and I got really scared. Okay, so we made it into Big Thunder Mountain Fast Pass line. So that's what we are going on next.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Mantenga sus manos.
We're going underneath Sleeping Beauty's castle now. We're heading to Toontown to go see King Goofy and Mickey and Pluto. That way, left. Toontown is left. It's like you're entering a whole new world. So you can go into each character's house and check it out and like do a tour of it. Like, there's a gas station here too for the Toon cars. Have a meet and greet with Mickey now. We're gonna have a meet and greet with Mickey now. We're going into Chip and Dale's house now.
Watch out, it's small.
Ow. unicorn decoration, so cute. We're gonna go on the Gadget Go coaster now. Oh, it's so high up, it's scary.
Gently. Not gently!
Finished up at Toontown. Unfortunately, we couldn't see Pluto, but we're heading to Winnie the Pooh's area so we can go see him and Eeyore and Tigger. So I switched to shorts because here in LA, in the mornings and the evenings, it's very cold and brisk and you almost need like a sweater. But in the daytime when the sun is out, it's very warm. Pack a spare pair of shorts. Hey, we made it to Critter Country. We just finished our photo op with Pooh, Eeyore, and Tigger. It was so much fun. So we're going to DCA now, so we're in Main Street and we're gonna go to the Animation Academy to go rest. But you can see Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln and you can go there to rest with AC if you wanted. And as you can see, there's an entrance for Disneyland and then just across DCA. Okay, so we made it inside DCA now. As you can see, there's a sign right there, animation. We're gonna go to there to rest. Adventuring by myself, I'm gonna go find Oswald.
Working together means our troubles all are gone. We never see a headline that
Which character are you playing?
Disney character is most like you. Any challenge with a grin. You are most like Peter Pan. Enchanté. It is with the greatest pleasure that we will now show you which Disney character is most like you. My assistant, please.
Hello, up here. Aha. Simply line up your face inside the oval, if you please. Now, sit back, relax, and
Try again.
That's a good one.
Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter. But first, we must learn a little bit about the
I'll let you do it.
wonderful personality that is you. Sir, when you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with me? You see yourself as more sensible. Are you ruled more by your passionate heart?
do you usually like to plan things out?
Very good. One more question we must ask.
Would you rather eat lunch with nice people?
What do you think?
Or eat nice
Top
people
one.
for lunch? You You are compassionate, hard-working, and you princess of any ball. You are most like Cinderella.
I don't want to be Cinderella. It's the Guardians of the Galaxy ride.
And a ship! All right!
Yeah, so then that's why it's okay to just use the ticket. So in this land, it's really special because everything makes it feel like you're a bug and you're a small thing, or you're a bug, and then look at all the giant straws, and then you can see 3-leaf clovers because you've shrunk them down. That way, Pixar up here, and then we're going into Cars Land. See, look on the ground, it's like in the movie Cars. There's Mater's Cove. There's different restaurants you can go to. That quick fast food service. Oh, so this is where you meet Mater. Churros, ice cream cones, popcorn. Cafe. Sun makes it really nice and crisp.
And 4, 2, go!
We're at Pixar Pier to go to Toy Story Mania. So you just cross this bridge, and then it's on the right, she said. I asked an employee. Here's the adorable frosted treats. Adorable snowman. Yeah, it's like lemon flavored and blue raspberry. There's always a big line because it's something new. We just finished Toy Story Mania. It was so much fun, so much better than Astro Blasters. Oh my god, didn't you think it was fun?
I thought it was really fun.
Going to Knickknacks now. So this is a Pixar specialty store while they're having their Pixar Fest going on.
This is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. $18. Thank Wazowski.
So after you come out from come across the bridge, you're gonna go towards the Ferris wheel and then towards the Golden Zephyr, and then we're going to the Symphony swings, and then but there's also Goofy's Expo over there. You can see the palm trees all lined up nicely. We just finished up at the Silly Symphony swings, and now we're heading into Pixar Park and seeing what's in here.
Buzz and Woody.
Buzz and Woody meet and greet. So we are just hanging out in the Pixar Pals dining area, I guess, or outdoor area, and we're just gonna relax here because we have 30 minutes until the Grizzly River Run Fast Pass. So we're gonna rest our feet, and then after 30 minutes we're gonna go head over there and ride that ride, and then by the time it's done, the Guardians of the Galaxy Fast Pass will be ready, so then that's what we'll be riding next. We just finished our meet and greet with Judy and Nick, so we're gonna go on the Grizzly River Run now. I won't be able to film it, obviously, because I don't want my phone to get wet. Okay, we just finished riding the Grizzly River Run, and it was a lot more vigorous than the one in Canada's Wonderland. And now we're on our way to Guardians of the Galaxy so that we can use our Fast Pass. And then this artificial blue sky really makes it look like it's like really there. But then you look up higher and then you notice that there's like a cutoff right there. There's some Sully popcorn buckets. Disneyland has a really big popcorn culture.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Talalator Bond's private office.
Ow! That was not part of the plan!
Okay, we just finished Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh my god, it was so much scarier than I thought it would be. I was screaming the whole time.
If you like the feeling of weightlessness, you'll like the ride. When you're going over a hill and you go down really quickly.
Lots of drop. Our bags are on the floor and they were lifted up from the ground because the speed that we were dropping, and there were like multiple drops, at least like 5.
Sort of the butterflies in your stomach feeling when you're going down.
Yeah, I hate that. So we were waiting for the parade, the Pixar parade, and it's after 6, and the parade is still not here, so that's why we're gonna go on this It's a Small World. It's only a 5-minute wait. We're back in DCA, and we're gonna go on the Monsters Inc. ride. And yeah, 15-minute wait time.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
You're a fine-looking group.
This is the end of our day, but I do have some overall thoughts and conclusions of our first time ever at Disneyland. We were really happy we got the Park Hopper Pass and also MaxPass. We felt it was definitely worth our money because we were constantly using them throughout the day. Also, I'm making a first timers Disneyland guide video / what I wish I knew before going to Disneyland video, so make sure you subscribe so you can stay updated. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and share, and have an amazing rest of your day. This is my first time at Disneyland like a pro in 2018.